is a case that involves Steve Vander, pictured there on the right, and who was a I don't know what way to say this, a very enthusiastic Harry Potter fan. He admitted at trial that he's read each of the books about 40 or 50 times. So what Steve Vander did was he created a website called the Harry Potter Lexicon. The Harry Potter Lexicon developed because Steve Vander was just so thrilled by the Harry Potter books and all the facts and all the different characters and spells. He wanted a place where people could find those facts in one place, look them up, tie them together, make the connections between, the Harry Potter books are a series of 7 novels. So really synthesizing the information from the 7 novels into one place. So he created a website called the Harry Potter Lexicon, which was immensely popular. People loved it. He was the king of Harry Potter fandom for a while. So when he decided to take the Harry Potter Lexicon and turn it into a book called the Lexicon in published form, J.K. Rowling and Warner Brothers had something to say about that. So when the website was just a website before it was a book, Rowling gave it one of her fan site awards. She said, and I quote, "This is such a great site that I've been known to sneak into an internet cafe while out writing and check a fact, rather than go into a bookshop and buy a copy of Harry Potter," which is embarrassing. A website for the dangerously obsessive, my natural home. So that was her take on the usefulness of the website. She wasn't talking about the book, she was talking about the website. And so what happened was that the book publisher, RDR Books, who was actually the defendant, Steve Vander, the author, was not a defendant in the case. He was just the publisher. When he decided to publish the book, J.K. Rowling and Warner Brothers sent a cease and desist letter to him, their attorneys did, saying, "This market for an encyclopedia is exclusively mine. I intend to write an encyclopedia, and this is a derivative work of my books, and you don't have the right to do it. You must stop publications." Which did this based on the title of the book, not actually seeing a copy of the book. So we took the case, and we're happy to help RDR Books defend the case because we believe reference guides to literature have been a critical part of study and analysis of literature throughout history, actually, and that the right for third parties, not the original author, to make such encyclopedias and reference guides to works was something that should definitely be protected. So in this case, again, like I was saying about the license versus fair use, this wasn't really even a question about licensing. She didn't want to give permission to anyone to do this. She wanted it for herself. So the case went to trial last April. It was actually, we could get into the oddities of the discovery, or actually lack of discovery, but the speedy progress that took directly to trial. But regardless, it went to trial, and our defense, obviously being the fair use defense, is that this lexicon is clearly a transformative use of the original novels. You would never read the lexicon in lieu of buying the novels or reading the books themselves. And that what the transformative purpose and the value added by this book is that it does create synthesized, distilled place where you can find and quickly reference various characters, spells, information, all of this brought together in one place where it would be spread across 7 different novels and disparate information. So it was supposed to be a quick, ready, easy reference guide for people who wanted to say you're in book 7 and you don't remember who the character is, you can look that character up and remember where they first appeared and how they're connected to all these was not a fair use of the Harry Potter novel. Well, a couple key points that came out of that decision, a very well-written, thoughtful opinion. Key among them was that this is not a derivative work. This is not something that J.K. Rowling has the exclusive right to control, but encyclopedias and reference guides are something that third parties can create, so that was a good point of clarification. On the fair use analysis, the judge ultimately ruled, yes, this does have a transformative purpose. There is, clear value in having this different purpose, and it doesn't substitute for the original. However, the amount of direct quotations, the amount of material that the author used directly from the Harry Potter novels was too much in light of that purpose. And so the judge ruled, kind of this happens all the time in fair use cases, blending the factors, the first factor being the nature and character of the use was transformative mostly, but it wasn't always transformative because it used too much, which blends into the third factor of how much you used and is it reasonable in light of the purpose. And so what the judge did was he really very closely looked at this particular manuscript and was drawing out the lines of this idea or this concept of this kind of book, and doing this in an A to Z guide is useful and it has value and it is a fair use. This particular manuscript doesn't meet those requirements. And so what the judge did, in his opinion, was basically provide clear guidelines to the author, Steve Vander Ark, and to J.K. Rowling about what was allowed and what wasn't allowed. And what was ultimately the result was the actual publication of a revised manuscript. This book came out in January. So, and this is, it's not the product of settlement, but it is something that does not violate the scope of the injunction, the result of a copyright infringement